Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Many were asking me about my drone and from where did I purchase it and for what price did I purchase. So when I said it, I have purchased it from Dubai. So many were asking me, how did you bought your drone from Dubai? So in this whole video, I'll be giving you 3 pro tips to get your drone from other countries to India. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video. First point, I'll be telling you which all things that you can carry with you while traveling from one country to other country to avoid drone customs. And second one, I'll be telling you how to place your accessories or drone separately in the luggage bag and the handbag so that you can avoid the customs. And in the third point, it's going to be very special and most of the people might not be knowing about this trick. So watch it till the end, you will get to know about all the 3 points and you can avoid the customs. So these are the things that we get in the box when we purchase new DJI Mini 2. We get one RC remote and one aircraft with propeller installed on it. If you are purchasing Flymo combo, you will get 2 more batteries with a charging hub. And we get a set of extra propellers and a screwdriver with which we can replace the propellers by ourselves. We get a pair of extra joysticks and a propeller guard. And we get a set of connecting cables with 18-watt charging adapter. Firstly, we should not carry this screwdriver which is provided by DJI. You can get this screwdriver in India itself for just 20 to 25 rupees. So avoid carrying this screwdriver because this is a sharp edge and it gets detected in the luggage bag. Secondly, avoid carrying this box which is provided by the retailer. And also avoid all the tags or anything that describes this is a new product. But you can carry your bill or a pay receipt of your drone. Here you can see that this is my bill which I have paid. I got this drone, that is Flymo combo, for around 44,000 at Jumbo outlet located Dubai. As this is a nano drone, you can even pay customs and get this drone from other country to India. Luggage bag is the one which you will be keeping in the luggage station and handbag is the one which you will be taking it with you in the flight. So the things that you will be keeping in the luggage bag will be RC remote. Aircraft needs to be placed in the handbag so that you can carry it with you in the flight. And don't forget to place the propeller guard. Third thing is you should take off all the batteries from the charging hub and you should place the charging hub in the luggage bag and all the batteries in the handbag that you will be carrying with you in the flight. Charging adapter and all other connecting cables can be placed in luggage bag itself, and even extra pair of joystick can be placed in the luggage bag. Extra propeller needs to be placed in the handbag and should not be placed in the luggage bag as these have sharp edges. Apart from this, you can carry the bill, you can keep it in the luggage bag as well as the handbag. No one will ask you about this bill. Third point is shoot some videos and photos following the country rules. With these videos and photos, if anyone questions you about the drone, you can say that you carry this nano drone for traveling purpose and you like clicking photos and videos the places you travel. So you can provide them some sort of proof that you have clicked some photos and videos at the place you were presently been. So you might be having the question that the person who is getting the drone might not be knowing to fly the drone. So you can ask the retailer or the shopkeeper to fly it once and test it. While doing that, you can start recording it. So with that footage, you can get some sort of proof. With this trick, you can surely get your drone safely in your hand. But make sure you're flying the drone following the country rules. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you have found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.